vegan, gluten-free fridge tour. So, yummy foods you're about to see. Let's go. So my fridge is in the back in the laundry room. It's also called the green fridge. So I have my salsa, extra dressings, soy sauce, vegan ranch, and vegan blue cheese. Then I have this fresher in this fridge so everything stays fresh. Then I have a water pitcher. My family puts their pizza in here because they want to. And I have, this is all my family stuff except for that. These two things are mine, the chia and the flax seeds. And then down here, this is my family stuff. I have leftovers and then spinach. And I have apples, vegan cheese, vegan sandwich meats, cucumbers, apples, that's coconut yogurt, tofu, firm and extra firm, and then I have 2 things of hummus. Up here I have LaCroix that my family likes and I occasionally will have one. Then I have celery, my Brazilian nuts, blueberries, shredded carrots, lemons, turmeric, and then ginger, and then I have my spinach back there. I'm trying to do 0 waste. It's okay here, but like I'm working on it. And then I have my milks, coconut almond. I have ketchup, hot sauce, all my dressings. Then I have Earth Balance, which is the butter I use, the apple cider vinegar, pasta sauce, pickles, and then my vegan mayonnaise. Then I have my chia seed fruit spread, and that's it for the fridge part. Let's go to the freezer. I have some ice cream, a pizza, gluten-free waffles. These things are if I'm running late, which is gluten-free and vegan. So, and I got some veggies back there, gluten-free bread, and a bunch of fries because I like fries. And that's it. I know it's not much, but that's what I'm working with right now. So, thanks for watching.